Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and wellness advice. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of moringa and why you should start incorporating this superfood into your daily routine. I'm all about providing practical, evidence-based advice to help you live a healthier, happier life. Let me tell you, moringa is a game changer. From boosting your energy levels to protecting you from chronic diseases, moringa is truly a gift from nature. So, if you're ready to unlock a healthier you, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's start by breaking down what makes moringa such a nutritional powerhouse. This plant is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. Think vitamin C for a supercharged immune system, vitamin A for sharp vision, and iron to keep your energy levels high. But wait, there's more. Moringa also delivers a hefty dose of calcium for strong bones and potassium for healthy blood pressure. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. These little guys fight off free radicals, those nasty troublemakers that can lead to diseases. One of the best parts about moringa is that it delivers all these nutrients in a bioavailable form. This means your body can easily absorb and utilize them. It's like giving your body a VIP ticket to optimal health. Now, let's talk about inflammation. We hear this word a lot, but what does it actually mean? Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to your health, increasing the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic conditions. The good news is that moringa contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like isothiocyanates and flavonoids. Imagine these compounds like firefighters rushing to put out the flames of inflammation in your body. Studies have shown that moringa extract can significantly reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. By addressing inflammation at its root, moringa helps protect your body from the inside out. In a world where diabetes is on the rise, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is more important than ever. Moringa steps up to the plate once again, offering incredible blood sugar regulating properties. Research suggests that moringa contains compounds that may help enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more effectively. This means less sugar floating around in your bloodstream and a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. Moringa has also been shown to improve blood sugar control in people who already have diabetes. In one study, moringa leaf powder significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Let's face it, a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. It's not just about digestion. Our gut health impacts everything from our immunity to our mood. And guess what? Moringa can work wonders for your gut too. Moringa is a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving smoothly. This can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. But moringa goes beyond just fiber. It also boasts antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, helping to keep harmful bacteria in check and maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. A happy gut means a happier you. You might be surprised to learn that arsenic contamination in water is a serious global health concern. Exposure to arsenic can lead to a range of health problems, including skin lesions, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer. This is where moringa truly shines as a hero. Studies have shown that moringa has remarkable arsenic-binding properties. It acts like a magnet, attracting and removing arsenic from contaminated water. This is especially important for communities with limited access to clean drinking water. Moringa provides a natural and sustainable solution to combat this environmental threat and protect vulnerable populations. Beyond these incredible benefits, moringa also supports brain health, enhances wound healing, and can improve skin health thanks to its rich supply of vitamins and antioxidants. It's no wonder moringa is often referred to as a miracle tree. So, how can you start incorporating moringa into your diet? Moringa is available in various forms including powder, capsules, tea, and even fresh leaves. You can add moringa powder to your smoothies, sprinkle it over your meals, or brew a soothing cup of moringa tea. The possibilities are endless, and it's easy to make moringa a part of your daily routine. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of moringa. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, support your immune system, or maintain healthy blood sugar levels, moringa has something to offer for everyone. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Go ahead and embrace the power of moringa. Your body will thank you. See you next time.